I've been like deep cleaning my room the past 4 days. So far, I've emptied everything out of this drawer. This is stuff right here that needs to be thrown away, like boxes, just trash, my snack. I'm gonna wipe all of this down and put it back and make sure I still like everything, but for the most part I do. Like, this is literally all my makeup, and then just like brushes. I want this to just be like my coloring books, maybe like nail filers and stuff like that. I feel so much better and so much more fresh, and I know I didn't show you the whole process of me cleaning, but it's genuinely because I was in the zone, like, and I don't even know where I would have put my camera. Like, I was moving everything and I was all over the place. Wait, what are we doing right now? And I'm gonna show you some of the things that I'm going to be giving away or getting rid of. First off, this orange blush. I've kept it for years and I've never worn it, and I put it on yesterday and I don't think that it suits me. This Burt's Bees lip shimmer. I love it, actually. I've had it forever and I just need to get rid of it. This gloss, I pretty much used all of it out of there, so we're just gonna get rid of her. I also don't like the smell. So to say I used almost all of this, it's just like a little bit on the edges. I'm proud of myself because I did not like the smell of that. This brush I had a double of, so I'll probably clean it and give it to my sister. This I've had forever. I low-key don't even know if it would be good anymore because I think I've had this for 6 years. Almost 6 years. Okay, yeah, I should probably throw that away. Same thing with this. I've had it too long. These two concealers, I might give this one to my sister if she wants to use it for like contour. I don't use contour. This one was too light and I got them to like mix, I think. I don't know, but I have my perfect shade. This I've used almost all of it, but I've also had for like 6 years, so I don't think that that's sanitary. And then this Huda Beauty Topaz palette, which I love so much, and I'm kind of on the fence. I don't wear eyeshadow anymore, so I kind of want to give it to my sister because she does like dance competitions and stuff like that, and I feel like she could use the glitters in there. And also I think I am gonna give this to my sister. I remember I was in high school and my best friend gave me this, and I loved it so much. I would use this shade and like these shimmers all the time. It looks like untouched, but like you can kind of see I would use these shimmers. There's like a little dent in them. Just like these kind of palettes last forever, so I think maybe she'll appreciate this and use it a little more, because as eyeshadow I only really wear shimmers, but I don't think I wear these ones that much. The inside of my drawers are pretty organized for the most part, and I've gotten rid of all the stuff that I don't use. I'm gonna show you right now. I have doubles of this concealer, so I'm trying to use this one up so I can get into that one. This one is literally empty, but I'm like using all the remnants at the bottom because like I don't want to waste it because it's so good. It's the Bobbi Brown. Hello? Work. There we go. It's the Bobbi Brown one, but there's like still some in there, so my voice is shaking. What the freak? I don't know what's going on. I use that one like almost every day. Rare Beauty blush, some lip liners here, Stila eyeliner, the mini. I don't wear eyeliner every day, so I just got the mini. Brow gel. I have this brow gel also that I'm trying to finish up, and then I also got this elf one the other day because I thought I was out, but I still had some here. Eyeliners over here. My white one I wear like every day. These two mascaras I'm trying to finish up so I can just get one. This one's brown, this one's black. They're both literally almost out. I probably should get a new one and just replace it because I've had these forever and it's probably gross, so low-key gonna replace these two. Now this red lipstick that I wear sometimes, some lip glosses, and this Nivea one that I'll wear sometimes. Over here we have all my brushes and this. My powder that I've had forever, but I really like this one, so I'm gonna keep it forever. One size powder that I also use sometimes. I go to both of these, it doesn't really matter. This blush I've had forever and I need to get a new one because it literally keeps like getting a cast built over it, and I scrape it off every single time. And it like literally has hit pan, but it's just like the only color that I really like. So if y'all can recommend a color like this Almay blush in the color, like a healthy hue blush, but I don't even know, wait, hello? I don't even know what color this is in. This I've also had forever. I use it as an eyeshadow sometimes. Setting spray. This side I have some hand creams, just like batteries, nail polish, pencil sharpeners for my lips, extra makeup brushes. If ever I want to do an eyeshadow look, I have them. My contacts, that shouldn't really be here, but it's there. Coloring book and colors, and then like this. So yeah, that's what this side looks like. It's pretty, it's fine. It's the best it's gonna get, I think. But this looks great. I always am going through this because I just like want to minimize it more and more, even though I know I don't have that much makeup. So like, girl, what are you doing? So now I need to clean off this part of my desk, which is already pretty organized, and I got rid of all the trash in there. I just need to make it look pretty and make my pins and everything look pretty. I have to put these clothes away because I had them in the dryer, but for the most part it's like so clean. I do have to, this drawer is all my ASMR stuff, like triggers. And then I do have to organize this drawer because it's like a lot going on with the hair stuff. I haven't gotten to that yet. My closet's that's like a friend's Christmas gift. I have to get rid of that. Well, I don't have to get rid of it, I have to give it to her. And then this is Legos. I need to build that. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow morning. Like, I don't know, probably not. I don't know why I'm talking so fast right now. Also, I need to go through all these bags because it's honestly a lot, and it's a lot of tote bags, and I think I do need to get rid of some because I don't use all of them. Also, this one I thrifted a few years ago, but it's starting to peel, so I think I need to get rid of it because I also have this red bag that I use now. Even though I do love the style of this one, it's starting to peel and I don't think I can save it. Guys, I don't know why I was like, I think it's because I had coffee and it was espresso and I'm like moving 10 times speed. Like, I don't even know. So the other day we went through our makeup and it looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. I'll show you. And now I'm gonna go through all of these bags because there are a few that I want to get rid of. Because like, what is this? Like, why do I have so many bags? Like, please inform me of that. Like, I don't know. This is like out of hand. They're like so heavy, it's like 10 pounds. Oh, okay. I just have so many. I need to condense them and like put them into each other because I do use my tote bags. Like when I go on trips, I'll separate my clothes and totes and put them in like in my suitcase. I was looking for this. This is the lid literally to my lip liner. Sorry, I'm kind of like really calm right now. Some days I'm very like but like today I'm feeling calm. My head kind of hurts a little bit, so like excuse that. I was literally looking for this, so now I have the lid. Okay, so this one's a yes. This is a little Coach pouch, definitely keeping. This one I know I'm not gonna keep, and I'm really sad about it because I've had it for a long time. I thrifted it. I'm so sad, but it's just what needs to be done. I use this bag quite often, but I am gonna take out the stuff that's in it. But yeah, this one, I need to see if I can take it somewhere to get professionally cleaned, and I also want to see if they can somehow insert like leather things around this to like match it because it gets sprayed, and I don't really like that. I don't know if they could do that somewhere. Like, what's the pursed version of a cobbler? But I love this bag so much. I've had it for like a few years now, along with this Coach purse that my mom, oh, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to add, like these. Like, I don't know why they didn't add these on this bag because it scratches up right here, so I want to see if I can get these added on this bag so that it doesn't like scratch like that. You know what I mean? But I also need to get this clean. This one was my mom's and I took it because she wasn't wearing it. I love this one because it has a little like this, and it's so cute. So we're gonna keep her. We're also keeping this Coach bag. I just recently got this one. This Coach bag, so cute. This bag has held up so long, and this is actually from Fashion Nova. My mirror. Keeping her. It's a freaking mess. I need to put all of that somewhere. Put all of this back up here. Oh, it looks so clean that everything is gone. This is what the bags look like now. Much better. I love it.